What's up, Flow family? Welcome back to another video with your local Flow Prodigy. If it is your first time on this channel, I'm Brendan Perez, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button to see more videos like this one. In this video, we're going to be going over how to Apocalypse. Let's get into it. An Apocalypse is a transition between prone into DK, where you're essentially doing a barrel roll into your drop knee stance. So you're going to start in prone, and whichever side you feel most comfortable with, you're going to barrel roll to that side. And in the middle of the roll, you're going to bring your knees as close as you can to your chest, and by the time you finish your roll, you will either land in double knee stance or drop knee stance. Now, like I said, the Apocalypse is only the transition between prone into DK, which actually leads to a very similar transition, which is the Hubbcap to DK. And I do want to make it very clear that the only difference between these two transitions is terminology. So here's what I mean by that. If you're doing just the transition by itself, it's an Apocalypse. However, if you're doing the transition in the middle of a combo, it's Hubbcap to DK. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, definitely leave a thumbs up down below. And since you're still here, might as well show some more love and hit that bell-shaped icon. That's the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload. And I will see you on the next one.